Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create account on Shopify. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google, that is Shopify, and open the first website. And here you can see start a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1. So click on sign up now, or you can click on start free trial. So I'm going to click on start free trial for this tutorial. And here you can see that let's get started. Which of these best describe you? I'm just starting. I'm already selling online, so I am just starting. And then you need to click on next. So where would you like to sell? So here you can see different options: an online store, social media, in person, I'm not sure, online marketplace. So let me select social media and click on next, and I'm going to prefer Instagram and click on next, and I'm going to give my channel name, that is how to solutions for an example, and click on next. And here I need to select my country and click on next, and here I need to select how I want to. Before starting the free trial, select any account. So I'm going to continue with Google. Okay, so here I need to select my account that I'm going to use. Okay, so now you can see that my account is created, that is free trial with a Shopify. So it will take few seconds. It is building my store. So let me show you. So basically it will take some time to build. So now I think it is ready. So here you can see that now it is ready and I can use that. So this is a simple process by which you can create account on Shopify. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.